Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever crave a warm, hearty bowl of chili without all the fuss? Wolf brand chili is your go-to for that classic taste, ready in no time. It's a beloved pantry staple for a reason, offering robust flavor and satisfying comfort. With just a few simple steps, you can transform this canned delight into a delicious, satisfying meal. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a cozy dinner. Preparing your Wolf brand chili is incredibly simple, requiring just a few basics. First, grab your can of chili. That's the star of our show. Next, decide if you're using a saucepan for the stovetop or a microwave-safe bowl for speed. Don't forget to think about your favorite toppings too. A little shredded cheese or some crunchy crackers can truly elevate your experience. For a perfectly heated bowl, the stovetop method is a classic choice. Simply pour the entire contents of your Wolf brand chili can into a medium saucepan. Gently warm it over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even distribution of warmth. The chili is ready to serve once it begins to bubble gently and is thoroughly heated through. This method provides a nice, even warmth. When time is of the essence, the microwave is your best friend for heating up Wolf brand chili. Just transfer the chili from the can into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing halfway to give it a good stir. This ensures everything heats evenly. Always use oven mitts or a towel when removing the hot bowl, as it will be quite warm. Once your Wolf brand chili is piping hot, it's time to enjoy. Serve it immediately in your favorite bowl. This is where you can truly make it your own. Consider adding classic toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a sprinkle of fresh diced onions, or a dollop of cool sour cream. Whether you savor it as a standalone meal or use it to elevate hot dogs and fries, this chili is always a satisfying choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.